Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
Always little shrines everywhere.
Pretty neat. Tropical trees, beautiful breeze, water, and me and my wife.
If you still love her.
Yeah, of course I do.
Reminds me of?
What?
Do you feel this way? Reminds me of Athens.
Oh.
We climbed up the hill that wasn't the Acropolis.
Went through that part?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of reminds me of that.
I wouldn't have made the comparison, but now that you do, yeah, I see that. I like trees.
Not a lot of like the shorter trees, like the olive trees in Athens. Not like super tall trees, but just like kind of medium ground cover.
Yeah.
Roosters are notoriously vicious.
Are they?
I hope it takes your eyes. Hey Ma, there's swan boats. They're kind of like birds, but also not like birds. Okay. This is the drill square, it said. I'm assuming that's where they drilled in the square. Got a hammer drill, but it's at home.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. See, it says the drill square. Designed to accommodate 1,500 soldiers? Really? That doesn't look like it would. There was once a pool dug back in 1884. You ready for this?
I think so.
I like to live life on the edge. So what's this place called? Did you figure out what this place is called?
Something or other.
The Gold something or other. Eternal Golden Castle.
That
Wanna
was
say
close.
that?
Yeah. Welcome to the Eternal Golden Castle.
You're so knowledgeable.
Sounds like I knew what it was called, right?
Yeah,
There's a gold something.
you're smart. So if this was like a military fortress, I do wonder where all the troops slept, because it just seems like it's fortified. Bum. Is that your saucy dance for all the clicks? If you like this butt, you should thumbs it up. Thumbs up the bum. Put the thumb in the bum. That's inappropriate. Comment below if you think thumbs in the bum are inappropriate. Boop, boop.
You must have came to this place by accident.
Yeah,
What do you think?
it's a cool shape. It's not as touristy as the other stuff.
There's at least 7 of these historical sites that cost 50 Taiwanese dollar to get into, or you can buy a pass of 150 to get into as many as you like.
It says you can only get into 6 of 7 if you buy the pass.
Oh, okay.
So you have to give up on one of them.
I didn't know that. Where'd you find that out?
I read it underneath that. It said it's good forever too. So, like, you can come back at a different time.
I felt
get the
proud
rest of
that
your
I
stuff.
discovered there were 7, which I only learned from looking at little signs above urinals.
Well, the more you know will you pee. The more you know will you pee. You were saying you liked the gun show, right?
Yeah, I'm impressed at how huge this gun is. Oh, but look how huge those guns are. Oh, barber.
You know there's a badger on this?
Is there?
Yeah, there's a badger.
Length of 4.6 meters in length, the cannons were mounted on rotating carriages. The weather is on our side. It's starting to look a little like a storm's on the brew. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cranes! There's some cranes! Oh, some cranes! Oh, there's a windmill. Look, Mars, it's a windmill. Brief update. It hasn't rained on us yet, so this is good. The weather is holding up. Also, here is an accidental sausage museum we've come across. If that's something you're into, yeah, learn about sausage. The thing we were walking towards to find, we didn't find, or it doesn't exist. You know, these things happen, but you got to explore to discover, or in some cases, not.
We don't know what we're doing, but we're trying. Try harder. We somehow haven't had dumplings the whole time we've been here. First dumpling. Don't burn yourself. Fish dumpling. And we got delicious broccoli. This one right here is for the Brock boys. Somehow we managed to have emptied this minus the cup of corn that we're both not sure how to eat. But I feel like this is success enough. We can probably just leave our corn in shame. How was it?
Really good.
Look, they're in love. These guys are just out to have a good time. Meow. Like, this neighborhood's really hood. What are you doing over there, you scoundrel? It's just proof that everything in Taiwan is just a little bit cuter than at home.
Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like if you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.